Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Open Final Cut Pro and focus on the Viewer and Timeline area for zoom control. Use the Viewer Zoom menu to choose Fit, 100%, or 200% for precise visual checks. Use the Timeline Zoom slider in the lower right to expand or contract your edit view quickly. Press Shift-Z to fit the entire timeline into the current window and assess your edit at once. Toggle between Fit and 100% to preview sharpness and framing before making scale adjustments. Select a clip in the timeline and open the inspector to access transform controls. Set scale to a specific percentage, such as 150% or 200% for consistent zoom sizing. Use the on-screen transform overlay to drag corner handles and reposition the image while preserving aspect ratio. Watch the viewer at 100% to verify sharpness after scaling up. When finished, click the Reset button in the inspector to return scale to 100% and reset position to default values. Adopt practical habits to keep zoom consistent and efficient across projects. Check clips at 100% and 200% in the viewer to confirm image sharpness before you export the final file. Use the timeline zoom slider to focus on fine edits and press Shift-Z to quickly fit the full sequence for overall context. Apply exact scale percentages in the inspector to match framing across multiple clips and avoid manual guesswork. Save a project preset when several clips share the same zoom and framing settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.